I would like to invite I would like to invite everybody to attend our main event, which is on October 22, 2010 in the Gymnasium. So thank you very much, and the winner for Best Talent will be announced at our main event, which is on October 22. Thank you very much, parents. Thank you very much, and teachers. Thank you.